You don't need a PhD in phonics to teach your child to read. My name is Danae Aboa. I'm a reading specialist, and welcome to our Learn to Read series. It's perfect for brand new readers and struggling readers. If you're new here, head here to check out lesson 1. And if you're all caught up on the lessons already, let's keep going. Are you ready for workout 17? Today we've got 2 new sight words to add to our game and to add to our memory bank of sight words. Now yesterday, or the last time you did the workout, we learned that O says ah. Now, these 2 words are rule breakers. What we're going to do in these 2 words is we're going to add a little heart. The reason we add a little heart is because we just have to remember by heart that in this word, O doesn't say ah. This is the word to. This is the word do. Now, if we were normally going to sound these out, it should say t, ah, ta, shouldn't it? But it's a heart word because we just have to remember that when we see these together and these together, we need to remember to say to and do. So let's practice those. And if you want to add a little heart to the O when you are writing it, to remember that when I practice T, O, I'm going to put a little heart beside my O because I'm keeping it in my heart. I'm memorizing it in my heart that that says to. Same thing with do. We'll make our D. It's a heart word. To and do. So go ahead and practice writing to and do. All right, great job writing those new sight words and heart words. Now you can go for a sentence hunt and check to see if you can find to and do within the sentences that your reading coach will point out to you next. All right, you've made it to game time. We are going to go back to the game Gravity. Now you've got 2 more words to add to your falling asteroids. So your reading coach can click on workout 17 and all of the words will be loaded for you there, ready to practice. And as they fall, remember to read them before clicking on them so that you can blast those asteroids. All right, have so much fun playing with those new sight words to and do.